Dear customers and friends, hello. Today I will introduce to you in detail what a sock printer is, how it works, and what materials it can print. I hope that through my introduction you will have a deeper understanding of sock printers. What is a sock printer? A sock printer is an advanced digital printing device specifically designed for printing patterns, designs, and images directly onto socks. This technology allows for high-quality, customizable prints, often using an inkjet. Sock printers are particularly useful for creating personalized or custom socks with unique designs and are operated through computer software to manage the printing process. They help address issues such as high minimum order quantities and inflexible pattern customization in traditional sock manufacturing. How does a sock printer work? Sock printers use digital printing technology to print patterns directly onto socks. The process typically includes the following steps. Design creation: the user creates or selects a digital design using graphic design software. The design can include images, patterns, text, or any combination. Printing settings: the sock printer prepares the appropriate inks and settings. The socks are loaded onto the printing platform or roller, ensuring that they are positioned correctly and covered evenly. Printing process: the printer uses digital direct printing to print. Ink fixing: after printing, the socks are dried and colored according to the different materials used. Polyester needs to be dried and colored, and cotton needs to be steamed and washed. Quality inspection: the printed socks are checked for any printing errors or defects. What materials are typically used in a socks printer? Socks printers can print on a variety of materials, including cotton, a common material for socks due to its softness and breathability. Polyester, often used for its durability and ability to retain vibrant colors. Wool, used for its warmth and moisture-wicking properties. Nylon, known for its elasticity and strength, making it a popular choice for socks. Bamboo fiber, chosen for its eco-friendliness and softness. Each material may require different ink types or curing processes to ensure the print is durable and the colors remain vibrant. So far, we have learned in detail what a sock printer is, its printing process, and applicable materials. As an innovative technology, the sock printer is bringing unprecedented possibilities to the sock manufacturing industry. I believe that in the near future, it will play an important role in more fields and create more personalized sock products. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.